MACD is widely used and provides much valuable information. However, it is a lagging indicator. Is there a technical indicator that can predict the market trend in advance? Yes, it is a Fibonacci indicator. Fibonacci sequences are used in biology, music, arts, and architecture, and financial markets. The default Fibonacci values in MT4 are 0.0, 23.6, 38.2, 50.0, 61.8, 100.0, 161.8. The Fibonacci retracement is generally used to find the strong support and resistance in price trend. To use the Fibonacci retracement, defining the high and the low within a certain period of time is necessary. We need to identify previous high and recent low in a bearish trend and draw the Fibonacci indicator from top to bottom.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.